Hi. So in this video, we're gonna go through a flow that we made for downloading YouTube videos. It gives you the information of the YouTube video, and it also gives you back different data of the download link of the YouTube video, with different resolutions and qualities, and also different formats that you can see in the table. So you can go ahead and download this. So you can think of this as a small automation in a big workflow where you download, for example, with each new video in your in a podcast, you download the link, you add it to your Google Drive, for example, in the whole automation, and then it can give you at the end, like it can message you or email you that, okay, this is a podcast, feel free to listen to it. So this is a really nice, neat feature that you can use and create an automation from. So you can access to this flow by going to Flow library in FlowHunt and type in for YouTube video downloader. Now you need to add this to your flow. So I previously have added this to my flows in here. And after adding it to your flow, you need to specify a rapid API key in here. I have gone and went to this flow and added my rapid API key. And after adding the rapid API key, the flow will work seamlessly by just giving the chat input. Now you can think of this as having other triggers than chat input. You can have a cron job that can see the YouTube channel and then find out what's the new videos and then go through it. So here's the result that I have shown you previously, and it also gives you different audio formats. So feel free to look through it, and if you have any other flows, just let us know, and we can create a flow for you in FlowHunt and help you to start with FlowHunt.